Nag-jacket lang ako kasi gusto ko na siya. Ba't mas down eh? Isa, 4 reels muna. Hi, what's up you guys? It's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, nag-jacket lang ako kasi gusto ko na siyang tapusin talaga. And yes, so para naman hindi diba nakakasawa, like ibang upload na naman, another upload, but your shirt is the same. Like that. I know that's your thing. Ang bango, like this. It looks like perfume of, oh my god, I don't know. That's today, I don't know kung ano yan, basta natin. Ito ba? Hello everyone! Did you ever try an online mystery box? Because me, I love mystery boxes. So now, let's open a mystery box at gimlet.com. So this is an online mystery box that you will have a chance to win a tech gadgets, shoes, and more. We can choose here a category. They have an Apple selection, Samsung Galaxy, Apple Finds, Electronics, iPhone 16 box, Galaxy, and more. So let's go to MacBook. So after clicking the category that you want, this is my favorite, is spin wheel. So let's try it. Oh my god! So let's try for Samsung mystery box. So you know that there is still a chance that what you get will be more expensive than what you paid. And also, this website offer worldwide shipping and original brands like Apple's, Shein, and luxury brand. They have also a free daily mystery boxes where you will play and collect a point. So if you want to try this gimlet.com, click the link in the caption or the comment section and try this. This is so nice. So I don't know what's this album, but I know that this is album, guys. Yes. So let's go. Magpipilm ulit tayo and yes, palobata tayo and I don't know what yung... Wait lang. Dapat maganda. Guys, alam mo ba? So, ano nga sa'yo? Janine Luis Yeo. Philippines Haram Soyo. Philippines Haram Yeo. So guys, di ko talaga alam kung anong mangyayari na sa aking mga storage kasi isang video na naman ko. So, i-open na natin siya. So this is the album, guys. So, I told you guys earlier that, oh my god, you need to subscribe, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, you need to subscribe me to be updated on my upload. Right? So, did you do that, guys? Yes. No. You don't do it. Did you ginawa? Pili ko talaga is ang hirap. OA. So, Downy talagang in-order ko, guys. Tandaan nyo, Downy. Kang in-order ng... Oh, my face! Face, oh my god. Feel ko magmamarka na naman to sa face ko. Grabe na! Sabi naman, may mas pinakamahirap pa pala. Ana! God! Ang laki pala na ito. So guys, meron silang mga ganyan na naman. So this is the Boys album. The Boys. Ano ba yung sinayaw ko na The Boys? I forgot ba sinayaw? I forgot. Des. Alay. So yeah, unbox na rin siya. So let's go. Wait lang, nagpipilm kasi ako for reals, guys, ha. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung... Wow! Oh my god! Guys, ang dami kong ano... Wait lang. Sa phone muna, guys, ha. Wait lang, guys, ha. For reals muna. Tapos, grabe. May CD na naman. Sinasabi ko yung laging CD. Pero ang lagi nito, di ko lang pasasya nila na. Guys, ito yung bonus ko, guys. Ito yung bonus ko talaga yung sa ano. Please, guys. Oh my god. Ay, watch me, Dash, watch me, Dash, watch me. Uy, favorite ko. Favorite ko din. Favorite ko siya. Queen ba talaga? Queen ba talaga? Iba. Oh my God. Iba talaga yung ngiti. Alam mo yun, na parang talago. Grabe. Grabe. Oh my God! May pa-up siya, guys. Sige, kahit wala ng storage. Sige. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang ganda. What the, oh my God. You didn't know. My God. I'm feeling right now, you don't know talaga. Grabe, nagtititigan ko na lang ba siyang ganyan? My God. Guys, super ganda. So next na, grabe talaga. So this is, ayan, finally umuwi siya. Nakita ko siya sa mga gym vlogs like that. Ito yung, hindi ko alam what's this, a sticker like that. And then, ito naman guys, ang ganda ng tela nito. Like super ganda talaga ng tela nito. Banggitin ko naman, kasi ang pansin ko sa inyo, ang ganda ng tela nito. Parang bumibili. Tapos ito na. Yes, nakita ko na siya. Hindi ko siya, ano. Taran! Wow! Wow! Finally, like, ganito ba? So guys, ayun na naman yung vlog natin. So, di ko na alam kung yung cut ko siya. Kasi, kawawa ng aking storage. Kasi sabay-sabay aking pag-video. So, ito na guys. Ano ba siya? Magpipicture. Paano magpipicture ng thumbnail? Paano magpipicture ng thumbnail daw? Ano ba? Ganyan na ba? So hey guys, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye. Love you all. So it's already 6:10. It's already 6:10. So, bye-bye. Bye. Mwah. Namaste. Ja.